Hello everyone, today I have a fast and easy tutorial on how to remove the extra space on your WIX website. So sometimes you have a extra blank white space on the bottom of your website. I'm going to show where it is in my case. So as you can see, I'm scrolling down and I have a bunch of unnecessary space here in the bottom. So let's start fixing it. The first thing you want to do is there is a scaling button basically that changes the preview size of your website. So you click on this button and you want to make it smaller so that we can more easily adjust the size of any part of our website, and also you can easily remove the unnecessary space in the bottom. So let's do that. Just scroll down. In my case, it's in the very bottom part of my website. As you can see, this kind of orange like color of the very last page of my website. Basically, how to remove this unnecessary space is there's this specific arrow down here. As you can see, you just need to hover your mouse over it, click on it, and just drag it up like this, right? So you can do it manually and adjust it in any way you want, but you can also, as you can see, it gives us a tip. We can adjust footer height or double click to remove any extra space. So you can double click and the website automatically will remove the unnecessary space for you without you having to do this manually by yourself, right? So just I'm going to drag it down again to create some unnecessary space again, and then I'm going to double click it like this. I have double clicked it, and as you can see, there's no additional unnecessary blank space in the bottom, right? And then after you've finished, do not forget to press save. There's a save button here. And the most important part, you have to press publish as well. So if you press save and then you go to your actual live website and you don't see any changes made, it's because you haven't pressed the publish button. Basically, that makes sure that all of the changes that you've made here in editing are actually transferred into the actual live website that the users are going to see. So just do not forget to press the publish button after you've finished. This is basically how you fix the blank space issue on WIX website. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.